Okay, so we are combining data, and we've adapted our 2019 SEC filings, but we have not used the 2018 yet. We want to add more information to our SEC filing so we can create a larger data set for a dashboard and analytics. So what we have to do here is to go and open up our SEC filings for 2018. And then what I'd like to do personally, what we should do is look at our income statement. So we're going to look at information from our income statement, balance sheet 1, balance sheet 2, our stockholder information, all the way through these green tabs that we've done. So some people may feel that this information is busy work. However, this information can be vital to making a management decision. So we're going to go through and watch this information and adapt and adjust as we go along. So let's hope that when the Edgar Online Inc. put this data together, that they made it easy and pretty simple for us to go through so we don't have a ton of data cleaning. Let's look at our 2018. Which one are we looking at here? We're looking at income statement. So let's go look at our 2018 income statement. And all we need to do is go to our table of contents and scroll down, because income statement here is already created as income statement. So we just click on that link. It's going to take us to income statement, and we notice that we do have another year. So 2016 is our other year, General Mills. It's still in millions except per share data. So let's do a little comparison here. We have net sales, cost of sales. Let's go back and be sure that 2016 is all that we need. We're looking at our SEC filings. Yes, so we're just missing 2016. So easy breezy. All we do is go back to this sheet, copy this row. So remember, Control Shift, arrow down. We'll select it. Oh, that's too far. We don't need a million rows. We just need the 64 rows. Control C, because we can see here that there's not information and data behind it. And Control V. Now our data is in place. And we scroll down, make sure that it's all, see? There's something missing here. So our data is not in place, right? We're going to make insert a row, and then we're going to label this row. There may be an easier way to do it, but this is just going to be easiest for me for the accounting end of it. So I'm going back to my income statement. I'm going to copy all of this. Control Shift. Just go to the top here, because this is going to give me the info that I need. Hello. Oh, it's not letting me scroll over. Let's try this again. So we need this. Control Shift. Copy. I'm going to paste in that same place, and then I can go through and see where my information needs to go. I hope that makes sense. So it takes a little bit of time, but it is worth it. Now, here's the easier part that you could probably do to make this a whole lot easier on yourself. And I like things easy. So if I go to, I'm going to open another document here. Open, browse, working on it. I've got my 2016, so I could just start with 2016. and see what that information is going to give me. So that might be even a little easier. Let's go through that whole process again. Ooh, we have a new page, beneficial owners. Interesting. So again, we'll go to income statement. And how many years do I have here? I have 2016 through 2014. So that's going to be much more beneficial. Let's open up our 2015. And now we've got 2015 to 2013. So what it looks like the best thing to do is copy both the 2016 and then go to the 2013, and then I can bypass 2017 and 2018. So yay, let's do that.